It's a huge day for the entire Fargo area. The brand new home to the Sanford Health Emergency Department, Family Birth Center, Children's Hospital, and more is now officially open.
And giving us a look inside the new Sanford Medical Center is the Valley Today's Christy Larson. She joins us live this morning. Hi, Christy.
Well, good morning, guys. And I'm actually standing here with Paul Richard, who has been up bright and early this morning.
Absolutely.
I know that you guys have just been anxiously waiting for this day. It's been a long time planning, and you said now you guys can officially say that you've not only created this hospital, this facility, but also now you're starting to treat patients already today.
Yeah, we're open, wide open. So
let's talk about that process too, that journey. I mean, it's been kind of a long time for you guys to be involved with not only the building and the construction of it, but the planning.
yeah, it's absolutely, when you stop to think about it, we pretty much started first looking at this on paper about 7 years ago. And then, a couple of years of planning, design, and it isn't quite like building a house. It's a very complex structure to build from the standpoint of not just the building itself, but what's behind these walls. Mm-hmm. And if you've been here through construction, which you have been, there's a lot of technology behind these walls, and a lot of there's more cable and wiring behind these than I've ever seen in my life. So, it's a pretty phenomenal thing to watch from the very, from starting the bottom of the big hole that used to be here, and 1,300 pylons that go down 100 feet, and all the way up to the top floor now. So, a lot of planning, but we are here, and it's great to finally be here.
And to walk through it and know that patients are already starting to come through. I know that they said that they've already had the emergency room open. They've already seen some patients come in there too. But yeah. I mean, how does that feel to know that it took all of that planning and now you guys are operating?
It's great. Sorry.
That's all right. It's actually open. You can hear it.
Open. Really to finally see patients who actually walk in here and come to the emergency room, and I think the first emergency patient arrived here at 5 o'clock, so right at opening. So really just to finally be here and be taking care of patients and seeing the full ability of this facility and the team that are going to be here delivering care is pretty awesome.
And you guys have a lot of specialties all under one roof right here for
Correct.
Patients and to improve that care too for our area.
Correct. One of the things that, there's a lot of visibility to the structure, to the facility that was being built. But over the last several years, we've also recruited a lot of the specialties that we're going to be practicing in here and delivering care in here. One of our goals later this year, we're going to be applying for level 1 adult trauma designation. And so, part of that, in order to even apply, you have to bring in and have the specialists that can take care of a very complex trauma patient. Mm-hmm. And so over the last several years, we've recruited those. We're ready to apply, and our plan is to actually file that application later this year and go through the survey.
Yeah, and we'll, of course, keep track of that and make sure we know when that happens. But again, guys, we're taking you through, of course, patients are starting to come in, so we have specific areas, but we'll be moving on, continuing to talk about their opening all on the Valley Today.
Big day for sure. Christy Larson reporting live for us. Thank you.